Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to make DuckDuckGo default search engine on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. By default on Google Chrome, we get Google search as the search engine. Now if you want to change it to DuckDuckGo, then you can simply follow this method. For that, simply open Settings application. To open Settings application, you can simply click on clock, Wi-Fi and battery icon, then click on this Settings icon and it will open the setting. Or else you can simply access settings from the app launcher. Click on System Preference option. Here look for Search and Assistance section, and here we have the search option. Click on it and here you'll find the option to set search engine in Chrome browser. Simply click on this arrow icon. It will open the Google browser search engine settings page. Here click on Change, and from the pop-up simply select DuckDuckGo. Then click on Set as Default. Now whatever you search on Chrome browser, it will go through the DuckDuckGo search engine, as you can see here. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.